Hey guys, we have been slammed since the last time I talked to you, but today is the last day of pouring for this contract, and I know I haven't shown you guys a whole lot, but I want to give you a little bit of a taste of what's going on. It's too cool not to see. So what we've got now is inside this oven. I actually have a couple different flasks, and this is the metal flask that's being contained with plaster. We burned the wax out of it, and now it comes out at about 1,000 degrees. It's going to come over here to our custom-built vacuum table, and then I'm actually going to pour metal into it. So I wanted to get it on video so you guys can see how this happens. So, hey, get over here.
All right, we're back.
All right, in your place. Until that, what's called the button, hardens up, and then we'll move it into cooling. You got one that's already cold, so come on. These two here have been sitting for a second, so they should be down to about 500 degrees. See, it's cooled off, and now we go into here. What this does is this basically explodes the hot plaster away from the metal in there. These are kind of really big flasks. When you got them at the right temperature, you see there's the button. And look what you pull out. Ta-ta-ta! Isn't that cool as all get out? How awesome is that? So we've got a total of 5 flasks to go. This one's still cooling. So we'll go pull the other one out. And so that's what's coming up, guys. See y'all.